Hello students, welcome back to the maths class. In our last class, we have discussed many concepts about surface areas and volumes. In this class, we will discuss some more concepts of surface areas and volumes. Let us now discuss example 14. At a Ramzan Mela, a stall keeper in one of the food stalls has a large cylindrical vessel of base radius 15 cm filled up to a height of 32 cm with orange juice. The juice is filled in small cylindrical glasses as you can see in figure 13.27 of radius 3 cm up to a height of 8 cm and sold for rupees 3 each. How much money does the stall keeper receive by selling the juice completely? Okay. So students, let us now discuss the solution. Okay. So the volume of juice is equal to volume of the vessel. Fine. So volume of vessel is equal to pi r square h, where r is equal to base radius and h is height. Fine. So how much is it? Pi r square. What is r for the vessel? Radius of vessel is 15. So pi into 15 into 15 into what is the height of the vessel is 32 centimeter. So this much centimeter cube. Students, we need not to calculate over here because it will be easier when we divide with the volume of the can to find out the number of glasses sold. Okay. So volume of glass can is equal to pi r square h. R is base radius and h is height. This is for the glass can. Okay, that is equal to pi. What is the radius of the glass can? 3 centimeter into 3 into 3, height it is 8 centimeter. So this much centimeter cube. So number of glasses of juice sold is equal to volume of juice divided by volume of glass can, that is equal to pi into 15 into 15 into 32 centimeter cube divided by pi into 3 into 3 into 8 centimeter cube. Pi pi cancels out, centimeter cube cancels out. It raises with 100. So 100 glasses of juice were sold. So what should be the cost or what is the money that is received by the stall keeper? Let us find it out. Price of a glass of juice is given as rupees 3. So price of a glass of juice is equal to rupees 3 and amount received will be rupees 3 into 100 because 100 glasses of juice were sold. So that is rupees 300. So this much amount will be received by the stall keeper. Hope you understand the solution. Students, let us now discuss exercise 13.6. Okay. Let us solve question 1. The circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. How many liters of water can it hold? Okay. And it is instructed to take 1000 centimeter cube as 1 liter. Okay. So students, let us solve question 1. As per the given data, the circumference of the base of the cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter. That means 2 pi r is equal to 132 centimeter. Fine. That means r will be 132 divided by 2 into 7 by 22. Okay. So, 21 centimeter. So, r is 21 centimeter, height is given as 25 centimeter, h is equal to 25 centimeter. The question demands for the volume of the water that can be kept inside the vessel. So, that is equal to the volume of the vessel itself. So, volume is equal to pi r square h, that is equal to 22 by 7 into 21 into 21 into 25. Okay. So, this gives us the value 34650 centimeter cube, and we know that 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So, 34650 centimeter cube is equal to 34650 divided by 1000, that is 34.65 liter. So, the cylindrical vessel can hold 34.65 liter of water. Okay. Hope you understand the solution for the question. Let us now discuss question number 2. Okay. Students, question number 2 says the inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter and its outer diameter is 28 centimeter. The length of the pipe is 35 centimeter. Find the mass of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube of wood has a mass of 0.6 gram. Okay. So, let us discuss the solution. Students, what are the given data? Inner diameter and outer diameter. Okay. What is the inner diameter? Inner diameter is 24 centimeter. So, suppose D1 is the inner diameter, it is 24 centimeter. So, if R1 is the inner radius, it will be 24 by 2, that is 12 centimeter. Okay. Then outer diameter is given as 28 centimeter. Suppose D2 is the outer diameter, that is given as 28 centimeter. So, R2, if it is the outer radius, it will be 28 by 2, that is 14 centimeter. Okay. Now, height of the pipe is given as 35 centimeter. Okay. Why height is 35 centimeter? Because height is not mentioned in the question, but the length of the pipe is mentioned, and we have already discussed the length of a cylinder is nothing but its height. Height of pipe is nothing but the length of the pipe. Okay. So, h is equal to 35 centimeter because length of pipe is given as 35 centimeter. Now, let us find out the volume of the pipe. Okay. Students, you need to understand that the volume should be the difference between the volume that is found using the outer radius and the inner radius, because the pipe has a thickness. Okay. So, the volume should be pi R2 square H minus pi R1 square H, that is equal to pi R2 square minus R1 square H. Okay. What is R2? R2 is the outer radius, that is 14. So, it is 22 by 7 into 14 square minus 12 square into 35. So, 7 5s are 35. So, students, that will be equal to 22 into 196 minus 144 into 5, that is 22 into 52 into 5. Okay. That will be equal to 5720 centimeter cube. Fine. So, it is also given that 1 centimeter cube wood is equal to 0.6 gram. So let us find the mass of the wood. Okay. So as per the given data, mass of 1 centimeter cube of wood is equal to 0.6 gram. So students, mass of 1 centimeter cube of wood is given as 0.6 gram. So mass of 5720 centimeter cube of wood is equal to 5720 into 0.6, that is 5720 into 6 by 10 3432 gram. Okay. So when we convert this into kilograms, we find 3432 gram is equal to 3.432 kilogram. Hence the mass of the pipe is 3.432 kilogram. Okay. Hope you understand the solution for the question. Students, let us now discuss question number 3. It says a soft drink is available in 2 packs. First, a tin can with a rectangular base of length 5 cm and width 4 cm having a height of 15 cm, and second, a plastic cylinder with circular base of diameter 7 cm and height 10 cm. Which container has greater capacity and by how much? So let us discuss the solution. Okay. Students, for the first part, the length, breadth and height of tin can is given, that is length is equal to 5 centimeter, breadth is equal to 4 centimeter and height is equal to 15 centimeter. So what should be the volume? Volume is equal to L into B into H, that is 5 into 4 into 15, 20 into 15, that is 300 centimeter cube. Okay. So let us find out the volume of the cylindrical can. Okay. Students, the diameter of the plastic cylinder is given as 7 centimeter. So let us find out the radius. R is equal to 7 by 2, that is 3.5 centimeter. Okay. Height of plastic cylinder is given as 10 centimeter. So height is equal to 10 centimeter. So what should be the capacity of plastic cylinder? Capacity is pi r square h, that is 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 into 10. Okay. So this becomes 22 by 7 into 35 by 10 into 35 by 10 into 10. Okay. So this is 385 centimeter cube. Okay. So the capacity of the cylinder and the capacity of the can gives us the difference of capacity, isn't it? So the capacity of cylinder is found to be 385 centimeter cube and the capacity of the can, that is the tin can, was 300 centimeter cube. So difference is 385 minus 300, that is 85 centimeter cube. Hence the cylinder has greater capacity of 85 centimeter cube. Hope you understand. Let us now discuss question number 4. It says if the lateral surface of a cylinder is 94.2 centimeter square and its height is 5 centimeter, then find radius of its base and its volume. Okay, and instruction is there for using pi is equal to 3.14. So let us discuss the solution. Okay, students, the given data is height of 5 centimeter. The height is equal to 5 centimeter. What else? The radius is not given. So let us assume that radius is equal to R. Fine. So, curved surface area of the cylinder. Curved surface area of the cylinder is given as 94.2 centimeter square. Okay. Hence, 2 pi RH is equal to 94.2 centimeter square. So, students, as per the instruction, we need to take the value of pi as 3.14. So, 2 pi RH is equal to 2 into 3.14 into R, that is not given, and H is 5, is equal to 94.2 centimeter square. So, students, that implies R is equal to 942 by 10 into 100 by 314 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 5. So, 10 tens are, that is 942 by 314, that is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay. So, the radius is found to be 3 centimeter. So, students, let us now find the volume. So, we have got height as 5 centimeter and the radius is 3 centimeter. So, volume is pi r square h. Okay. So, pi r square h, that is 3.14 into 3 into 3 into 5, that is equal to 314 by 100 into 9 into 5. 314 into 9 divided by 20, and when we calculate, it will come up to 141.3 centimeter cube. Okay. So, this is the volume of the cylinder. Hope you understand the solution for this question. Students, let us now discuss question number 5. It says, it costs rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface of a cylindrical vessel 10 meter deep. If the cost of painting is at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square, find inner curved surface area of the vessel, radius of the base and capacity of the vessel. Okay. So, let us discuss the solution. Students, the total cost is rupees 2200 and the rate is rupees 20 per meter square. Okay. Rate is rupees 20 per meter square. Fine. So, the area that is covered, that is equal to 2200 by 20, 110 meter square. Okay. So, the inner curved surface area of the vessel is 110 meter square. Okay. Let us now go for the second bit. It says, what is the radius of the base? Okay. Let us find out. So, curved surface area is equal to 110 meter square. Okay. And what is the height? Height is 10 meter. Height is 10 meter. And we need to find the radius. So, what is the formula for curved surface area? That is 2 pi r h. Okay. 2 pi r h, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into r into 10, that is equal to 110. Fine. So, r is equal to 110 into 7 divided by 2 into 22 into 10, that is 7 by 4, 1.75 meter. So, this is the radius of the base. Okay. Let us now find the capacity of the vessel. So, capacity is pi r square h, that is equal to 22 by 7 into 1.75 square into height. Height is 10. Okay. So, 22 by 7 into 175 by 100 into 175 by 100 into 10. Okay. So, when we calculate, it will be 96.25 meter cube. So, the capacity of the vessel is 96.25 meter cube. Let us convert it into liters. Students, we know that 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. That means 96.25 meter cube is equal to 96.25 into 1000, that is 96250 liter. So, the capacity of the vessel is 96250 liters. Hope you understand the solution for the question. Let us now discuss question number 6. It says the capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel of height 1 meter is 15.4 liter. How many square meters of metal sheet would be needed to make it? Okay, let us now discuss the solution. Students, as radius is not given, so let us take radius is equal to r. Okay, height of the cylinder is given as 1 meter. Fine. So, what is the volume of the vessel? Volume is given as 14.4 liter. Okay. So, that is 0.0154 meter cube. Okay. Now, we know that volume is pi r square h, that is equal to 0.0154 meter cube. Fine. Here r square is equal to 0.0154 divided by what is h? 1 into 22/7. Fine. So, when we calculate the square root of 0.0154 into 7 divided by 22, it will be 0.07 meter. Okay. So, now let us find out the total surface area of the vessel. Okay. What is the formula for total surface area of the vessel? Students, total surface area is equal to 2 pi r whole multiplied by the sum of r and h. So, total surface area is equal to 2 pi r plus h. Okay. So, just we need to substitute the values and we can find out the total surface area. So, this is 2 into 22/7 into r. What is r? It is 0.07. So, 0.07 plus height. What is your height? It is nothing but 1 meter. So, this much meter square. Okay. And this becomes 0.44 okay, into 1.07 meter square. Okay. So, this is 0.4708 meter square. So, the total surface area is found to be 0.4708 meter square. Students, let us now discuss question number 7. A lead pencil consists of a cylinder of wood with solid cylinder of graphite filled in the interior. The diameter of the pencil is 7 millimeter and the diameter of the graphite is 1 millimeter. If the length of the pencil is 14 centimeter, find the volume of the wood and that of the graphite. Okay. So, let us solve the question. So, students, to solve this question, let us take R1 as the radius of the pencil and R2 as the radius of graphite. So, R1 is equal to 7/2, that is 3.5 millimeter, and when we convert it, it will be 0.35 centimeter. R2, that is 1/2 is equal to 0.5 millimeter or 0.05 centimeter. So, we have found the radius for the pencil and the graphite, and the height is given as 14 centimeter. Fine. So, let us find the volume of the wood in the pencil. So, we need to subtract the volume of graphite that is inside the pencil. So, volume of wood. So, volume of wood is equal to volume of graphite subtracted from volume of the pencil. So, it is pi R2 square minus R1 square H. Okay. Hope you understand why I have written like this, because it is pi R2 square H minus pi R1 square H, and I have taken common pi and H and I have subtracted the radius R2 square minus R1 square. So, this becomes 22 by 7 multiplied by 0.35 square minus what is R1? It is 0.05 square into H, that is 14 centimeter. So, that is equal to 44 into 0.12, or it is equal to 5.28 centimeter cube. So, students, let us now find the volume of graphite. Is equal to pi R2 square H, that is 22 by 7 into 0.05 square into 14, and when we calculate, this will be 44 into 0.0025, that will be equal to 0.11 centimeter cube. So, the volume of graphite is found to be 0.11 centimeter cube. Hope you understand the solution for this question. Students, now we have come to the closure of today's class. In this class, we have discussed some more concepts about surface areas and volumes. We have gone through some examples. We have solved questions from your book. Hope you have understood all the concepts clearly and the solutions for the questions. You need to practice all these questions and the examples as well, so that you can have a good grasp on all these concepts. Okay? So, keep practicing and keep smiling. Thank you.